Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing good. I am Sara Bansal and in today's video I am going to show you what actually is in a crew bag. तो चलिए देखते हैं फटाफट से. So this is my crew bag. तो चलिए इसको ओपन करते हैं. So I open this bag. तो चलिए सबसे पहले यही देख लेते हैं. दिस इज़ अ एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ स्टॉकिंग इन केस अगर हमारी स्टॉकिंग फट जाती है. सो वी शुड हैव एक्स्ट्रा पेयर ऑफ स्टॉकिंग. दिस इज़ माई कैबिन शूज़ एंड वंस वी रीच टू द एयरक्राफ्ट वी नीड टू चेंज द ground shoes to cabin shoes. This is my makeup kit and this is my toiletry kit in which I kept shampoo, brush, conditioner, facial tissues and many more. तो चलिए देखते हैं बैग के इस साइड में क्या है. So this is my uniform in which I kept one compression top, one jacket and one skirt. Then this is my nightwear. Then this is my casuals in which I kept one polo t-shirt and one jean. This is a pair of shoe and this is undergarments. So this is the last pocket. So let's see इसमें क्या है. So first of all I kept this necklace. Then I kept these documents. And last I have this flashlight. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of my videos.